Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how can we have a conversation in the boat. Let's say the status of gathering, which is done by me, is in stuck mode. Okay. So now I can add a conversation like this. Let's say, hi, I can add the rate as a Jamal. Do you require, do you require help with anything? Because a person is stuck, right? You can just start here. You can start the conversation. As a Jamal will get the notification here. You can like the comment, right? You can reply to him. You can add in emojis. You can add GIF, need help, something like that. You can add it here. So you can add a files according to it. If you want to add a file to the conversation, you can see the activity log. And when you see the requirement gathering here, you can also see there are two conversations. When you click on this, it will come up like this. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.